Hello guys, this is our mini project named as the stopwatch using IC. So we have used three types of components. First one is the IC7805, which is a voltage regulator IC, and this one is IC555 timer. And here we have used the 4026 IC, which is a input output and giving the connections with the displays. And now now I'm going to show you how it works. So here you can see, here it is a 9 volt DC supply. So I'm going to switch on it. So by switching on here, so you can see the time is running. Here is a LED bulb, and here the display. Now I'm going to show you how it works. So afterwards I'm giving the start button. So when I start, you can see that the time is running. It's showing that 3, 4, 5, 6. So as it is a stopwatch, I have to hold this button here. So and then only the time runs. And if I take my hand out, so you can see the time stops 16. And if I make it to 00, I have to press this red color button, and it goes to 00. So this is a reset button, and this is a start button. So this is the final project we have made. So thank you guys.